How to make money on Freelancer as a photographer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of the platform. So for example, if I was a business owner who come to the platform searching for a photographer, I will just come to the hire freelancer or hire freelancer in here and go with by skill and search for photographer. So let's search for a photographer, web developers, mobile writers, data, lawyer, logistic expert. Let's go by skill categories. So here you can hire by skill categories as well or by location. So after you look for your photographer, you can see the profiles, all the profiles of the photographers in the platform, and you can hire one of them. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile as well to showcase or to be among the photographers in the platform, to have your chance as well with the business owners or the individuals that come to the platform searching for photographers. So let's start by clicking on the earn money freelancing button to create your profile, and here make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then you click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to drop my email, password and login, and then you'll proceed to your dashboard. It's where you can manage everything about your profile. And here you have, to help you get started, we would like to offer you a free upgrade to our Plus membership for 1 month, valued at approximately $9. You'll receive these great benefits about 1 hour ago, so you can claim it now for free. You can start your free month in here, get the tools you need to win jobs, try Plus membership free for 1 month for only $10 per month. Afterwards, unless cancelled. Plus membership accelerates your career by giving you the tools you need to succeed as a freelancer. 100 bids increase your chances of winning a project with 100 bids per month. A high value bidding. Get serious about freelancing with the ability to bid on high value projects. Custom cover photo. Make your profile stand out even more with your own custom cover photo. Referred freelancer. Get access to unlisted projects, unlimited support, and a badge for your profile. Rewards. External invoicing. So if you want to upgrade your profile, you can buy this membership for $10 per month in order to, and by upgrading your profile, it will help you that to get more clients and more jobs. But for now, let's just continue with the free version of the profile. So here, this is your profile. This is where you're going to view your profile, and here you can change everything about your profile, starting with your profile picture, and here you can edit that. You can also change, verify your identity. This will help you get more clients. Or anywhere you see something like verify or connect, you better just do it, because it will make you seem legit, because only the scammers have all this not verified. So make sure to verify all of these things. Then make sure to upload a portfolio and add your experience as well, along with your education, add qualification, and add your publications also. All of these things will help you get more clients. And here let's go to the profile to change our skill, because the skill is photographer, so we will need to change that. Edit profile. So If you want to edit your profile, you will need first to verify your email. As I said before in here, email verification is very important. And here also you can select your hourly rate, but before doing any of that, you will need to verify your email. And guys, after verifying your email and all of these things, then the time to find jobs. Let's go to browse, click on projects, and you'll be able to see all of the posted jobs in the platform that are looking for someone with your skills. So let's enter a skill in here. Let's go with photography, and let's see the posted projects in here. Development and editing of my photos. I'm a photographer. It's for $12 per hour, and he has 53 bids for now. I'm a photographer looking for a skilled editor for a long partnership to assist me with the development and editing of my photos. The ideal candidate will have experience in basic editing, image cropping, optimizing with brightness, highlighting, in sharpness of eyes and clothing, etc., in color, and optional conversion to B2W. I managed to edit 10-15 images per hour in this way. How many pictures do you edit in an hour? Skills and experience, proficiency in basic editing techniques such as color correction and cropping, attention to detail and ability to enhance the overall quality of photos. So you can read this project, check all of the required things, see the price as well, check the comments, total number of reviews. So let's check the reviews that he have in here. This is the pictures he makes, the pictures that you need to work on and send it to him. I want to discuss more about the project. Would you please tell me whether all the images are in JPEG or other file format? I can edit 2 to 5 images within an hour depending on the requirements. So this one has sent users who are verified by Freelancer can leave a question. So if you want to leave questions, you will need first to get verified. So here you can check all of these things about the project, and you can decide if you want to apply for it or not. And also you can check the other projects if you want, but I think you get the idea, guys. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.